spaghetti noodles, yeah! I love spaghetti noodles. No, spaghetti noodles, no!
So today's a very curious day. Today I got a pair of LCD4s, but they're in rough shape, so I'm going on a mission to fix these. Here are the poor boys. This doesn't go with them, but I got, yeah, LCD4s. This driver's good. Oh no, not that one. This driver's good. This one is not. So we're gonna find a driver. We're gonna do something with this, but check this out. You know, this is kind of crazy. It's a LCD4. So. I mean, this works. So now we're looking more like LCD4s now. Wow, those just clean up so nicely, guys. Just beautiful headphones. Wow. So now I'm an owner of LCD4s. Haha! Let's go! They work out of one side. No, the LCD4 kicks ass. I think they're the best Audeze. Like, I know I only have one side, but I've heard the LCD4 enough. Like, these are the best. Like the LCD5, I don't like it. I think it sounds like it's lacking completely in the sub. There's no sub. Like, you have to EQ like 6 dB of sub bass into an LCD5 to make it sound tolerable. Like, basically, bro. That's fire, dude. Even in one side, it's still fucking sick, dude. Like, I can't hear it over here weird. Like, I don't know how to explain this. This is crazy. Like, see, the thing is, the Abyss resolves more, but it takes a lot more to get them there. Yeah, these are fire. Yeah, these headphones are fucking ridiculous. I can't wait to hear them at Four Seasons, man. That's gonna be fun. Yeah, that's fucking fire. Yeah, these are gonna be great for DJing. I think they have a more warm sound signature than the Abyss, and I think they're actually more colored, definitely more colored, which, to be honest with you, might be better for DJing. But the thing is, I love the Abyss's just merciless detail, so like I can hear when the slightest thing's offbeat with those. But like these, it's a different experience. It's kind of mental. It's kind of mental to use an LCD4 for DJing. I mean, they're fucking heavy, but anyway. After some back and forth between me and Audeze, I have discovered that unless I'm willing to pay $1,200, as you can see here, that these LCD4 will never be fixed fully. So I have taken the liberty of acquiring the best possible thing that I could until I could find another LCD4 driver. The only option that we have is to use a driver from an LCD2. Well, there is silica gel all over, but we also, because the LCD4's pads, as you remember, were unable to be stuck back on, we're gonna clean all that off, and we've got some fresh glue rings we're gonna transfer. But, you know, it's really unfortunate that they don't give you any other option other than to send you the headphones, and they're not sure what I'm asking when I said I just need a diaphragm. Like, what do you mean you don't know what I'm asking, bro? Hey, I mean, this is the image of your company here, you know? You want to be like that? Well, okay. Us customers have the right to repair products that we purchase from people. So if I'm not mistaken, this is the good driver. This one had an unfortunate end, so yeah, we're gonna just swap both drivers over. Okay. we're just gonna clip these ends, because someday I want to see if I can put these back together too. So we'll give a little bit of length here. And then this side's the same thing. So this is the good driver, and this will go inside the LCD4 cup. So there's that. And then also these aren't the original screws. So I'm actually going to take these hanger screws off. Yeah, we'll reuse this black foam too to make it the same. Well, we'll see. Honestly, I thought of having a crazy idea where I actually take the diaphragm out of this and replace the LCD, use the LCD4 magnets. I might try that and see if it's better, because I have all the magnets and everything. I have all the structures in there. I want to take out. I want to take this off. Ooh, it's really nice, nice wooden cup. I mean, Audeze has really good build quality. I will say that, but their customer service is nothing short of horrendous. You only want to sell me match driver pair. That's kind of wasteful. So you're saying unless I pay you $1,200, you can't do anything for me. Okay. So I'm gonna note that, and I'm gonna do my own thing then, dude. Okay, which side is no good? I'm gonna have to, because yeah, I did such a damn good job putting these back together that I don't even know what side is bad anymore. Oh, and this is an upgrade cable too. Yeah, I'm using my Mac Pro right now. It's crazy, right? Crazy. just chilling, right? That's freaking crazy. It's crazy as fuck. Okay, so while I'm sending some signal, we're also gonna take these pads off here. I did some Frankenstein-y stuff here to keep them from, you know, falling off, but this is gonna have to all come off now. This is literally the best that we can do. I'm serious. Like, I mean, an LCD3 maybe, but like I can't find an LCD3 that's only got one driver right now. I'm trying to get a hold of these ones that maybe, but. What a good guess, wow. Yeah, it's that one. Okay, so that's the good ear. So this is what we're gonna do. Now we're gonna take this off. Yeah, it's amazing to me how I ended up having to resort to this because Audeze didn't want to cooperate with me. That's insane. Like, you'd rather me throw them away if I don't want to pay $1,200 than just sell me a driver. Okay, you know, then everyone's going to find out about that. You know, you want to say you don't know what I'm asking when I ask for a diaphragm replacement? Okay, you claim to be a headphone company, but you don't know what I mean when I say a diaphragm replacement. It says it right here. I'm not sure what you mean. Okay, you don't know what I mean. Okay, so, you know, that might be bringing into question, you know, whether or not the person that is working behind the desk right now should have a job with you. Just being straight up. Like, I'd be really pissed off if somebody that I worked for told a customer that they didn't understand what the most basic part of a headphone is, and you work for Audeze and you don't know what they mean by a diaphragm. Like, okay, buddy, you know, that's pretty, all right, I wouldn't want to live that way, but, you know, y'all can do you.
In the eyes of God?
So here's what we're going to do. We're going to start testing a connection between the driver and these contacts. So I got this really nice silver cable here, which is what we're probably going to use, honestly. Okay, cool. Okay, so it will work. So we're gonna do that now. It sounded good, even for that little split second, dude. Okay, so I see that. We're gonna wind it around one like this. And then we're going to take that other winding and wind that around like it's two of those together. Okay, and then there's some insulation here. We're just gonna tuck that in there sweetly. Oh yeah, that looks good. That looks good. That looks good actually. So let's check it. Yeah, it works. Cool. Okay. So now we're gonna put this back together. Because that works. That's good. That's not gonna fuck up anymore. Okay, so let's kind of pseudo put the headphone pads back on there and just like listen to these now, because now they're working on both sides. They're probably gonna sound a little different, but they'll work. That's the most important thing, you know, they fucking work. So we're just gonna put this on there. I mean, they work. Holy shit. Yeah, they work. They work fine. They work perfect, dude. They just because there's different impedances on each side, you need to adjust the volume of each driver. But when I'm DJing, that's not really gonna matter. These are purely to be DJ headphones, you know, like you could probably adjust the volume of each side from the computer, honestly. But wow. That's a completely fixed LCD4. I mean, that's as close as you're gonna get, minus the ear pads, to you know, a fixed headphone here. I can't believe I did that. That's just crazy. Well, in front of everyone, you know. That's not a surprise. What a surprise! What a surprise! From what it sounds like, the drivers don't even sound that different from each other. But anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in. As you can see, I got these working fairly decently well, if not pretty much okay. Like I said, it's just that impedance thing. There's probably a way to fix that, you know. There's a way, like you can make it possible to hear it out of both sides properly. But anyway, guys, this is my Audeze repair adventure. Thank you so much. Please subscribe if you're new, and if you're not, thank you for continuing to watch my content, guys. Really means everything. Thank you so much. LCD4, X LCD2, kind of. Whoop. Anyway, thank you, guys. Have a good day. Audeze LCD4. We got somebody who's approving of the LCD4s right now, right as we speak, dude. That's what I'm talking about. So I guess I did a good job fixing them, guys.